Good morning, class 9. Today, this is computer class. Today, we will discuss some programs how to print the series by using the looping statements. So, let's see. First program here, we will print the series of 1, 4, 7, 10 up to 20 terms. Terms means this is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. So in this way, total 20 terms we have to print. So first of all, we will try to identify that on which basis this series is created. You can see here in each term there is a difference of 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So in this way, when we will add plus 3 in previous in the current term, if we will add 3, we will get the new term. Again, in this current term, if we will add 3, then we will get new term. So here you can see that in this series, in each and every term, there is a difference of 3. So in this way, we can print this series and we can write the program. This is my class series of difference. Now, this is the class name. This is the function name series, public void series. This is the loop variable I. Here I initialized it before the while. You know that I explained you in my last video that in while loop, initialization is done um, before the while loop. Before starting the while loop, you have to initialize the loop variable. And here I initialize this one by 1 because we will start from first term. First term, second term, third term. Till how many term? We have to print 1 to 20 terms. Okay, total 20 terms. So if we will, it will start from 1, it will end on 20. So while loop, which test condition we will give? We will give I will execute, loop variable will execute till it will be less than or equal to 20. Now, term is initialized by 1. Why this term is initialized by 1? These are the terms. This all are the terms. 1 is first term, 4 is second term, 7 is third term, 10 is fourth term, and number first number of the first term is the 1. So that's why term is equals to 1. Means this first term is 1. That's why term is initialized by 1. Okay. Now let's start. It will check the condition while I is less than 20. Yes, 1 is less than 20. So it will enter in the loop body part. Then it will print first term. Okay, system.out.println term. So what it will print? It will print initial value of term, that is 1, and it is first term is equals to 1. Okay, now we have to find out the next term, and you have seen that in between two terms there is a gap of 3. So in this term, in the first term, we will add plus 3. Okay, so what was the first term? First term was 1, and then we will add here 3. So it will be now 1 plus 3, 4. But now here we will not print. In this iteration, we will not print. Simply, we will increase the value of term. First term is already initialized, that I have already printed. Now for next term, I will increase it by 3. Then loop variable will increase. Update expression we will write in the for loop. We will write in the loop body. Okay, so I plus plus. Now in next iteration, I plus plus means it will be I is equals to 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, in next iteration, it will be 2. Then in next iteration, 2 is less than 20. Yes, it will check the condition. Condition is true. Then condition is true, so it will come in the loop body and it will print the current value of term. current value of term is now 4. Okay, it was increased by 3, so now it is 4. So next term it will print 4. Okay, so first it will print 1 and then next term it will print 4. Here now I plus plus. What was the last value of I? 2. And then it will increase by 1. Now it will be 3. Now again it will check the condition. Is 3 less than 20? Yes. So it will enter in the loop body and it will print the term. What is the current term now after the increment? It is now 4. So it will print 4. Okay, then in next iteration, term will increase by 3. So 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. It will be what? It will be equal to 7. Okay, then in next iteration in the same way it will also increase I plus plus, it will be 1, sorry, 3 plus 1 4. It will check the condition. Yes, 4 is less than 20, so it will print the term, means it will print the 7. Next one. Okay, so in this way in each and every iteration it will a term will also increase by 3 and I will increase by 1. So in this way it will print next term on the gap of 3. Let's execute this program. First of all, I will compile. No syntax error. So I will execute it. So what is the name of this function? Series. So let's start. We will create the object because this program is not written in main. So we will create first the object, and through object we will run this program. Now we will execute series. You can see here there are total 20 terms. 1 plus 3 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10 plus 3 13. In this way total 20 terms it will print. So this is the series of difference of 3. Okay, now next series we will see, that is the Fibonacci series. What is the Fibonacci series? Here we have to print 10 terms of Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series, here first two terms are fixed. In the Fibonacci series, first two terms are always fixed. Okay, that is the 0. Okay, and next term will be 1. Now we will add, first two terms are fixed. First term will be 0, next term will be 1. Then we will add 0 plus 1 and it will be third term. 0 plus 1, 1. It will be third term. Now we will add this term and this term, last two terms, means 1 plus 1, next term will be 2. Then last two terms again we will add 1 plus 2, 3. Then again we will add next two terms, last two terms, 2 plus 3, 5. Again we will add last two terms, 3 plus 5, 8. Again we will add last two terms, it means it will be 5 plus 8, 13. In this way we will continue. How many terms we have to print here? 10 terms, but you can print 15 terms, 20 terms, 30 terms, 50 terms. Okay, so now this is my class and this is my function main. Here I have taken two variables, first and second. What is this first and second? First term, second term. That is already fixed. First is initialized by 0 and second term is initialized by 1. So that's why I initialized here also first equals to 0 and second equals to 1. Then third I initialized by 0. Why? Because each and every time we have to add this first and second, first and second. So in the beginning it will be 0. Okay. And then term. How many terms we have to print? So simply I am giving here one message, Fibonacci series, to make the program more understandable. Then first I will print here first, then again I will print second. Here I am using the function system.out.print so that it can print in the same line. Here I don't want to change the line. Next line I don't want. That's why I was given here print statement. If you want to give the, if you want to print your series in the next line also, next term in next line, then you can write here println also. Now, term is initialized by 3. Why term is initialized by 3? This is the loop variable and I initialized by 3 because first term and second term is already fixed. I know that first term is 0 and second term is 1. So first and second term I know, that's why term is initialized by 3, not by 1. Okay. So here I initialize the loop variable term equal to 3. And how many times it will run? Till that time term is less than equal to 10. Okay. Because we have to print here 10 terms of Fibonacci series. So while term is less than equal to 10. So what we have to do here? You can see that in this program, what concept is given? Every time third become first plus second. Third is first plus second. 0 plus 1, 1. Is this correct? So third will be equals to 0 plus 1 means first term plus second term. So that's why I have written first plus second. Third will be first plus second. And now we will print it. System.out.print third. After a gap, it will print third. Okay, first, then gap, then second, then gap, then third. So in this way, what it will do? 0 plus 1, third term equal to 1. It will print. Now, next what we have to do? First become, now first term will be second and second will be third. It means in next time what we have to do? We have to first time 0 plus 1, 1. Then next time 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Means what was the second? Previous time, in previous time, what was the second? 1. But now it will behave as the first. And what was my third term which we got after 0 plus 1? This third term will be now second. Means which was second last time which was second, now it is first, and which was last time third term, now it become second. So first plus second, third again, means 1 plus 1, 2. In next time, what was the second term? It was now become first, and what was the third term? It become now second. So 1 plus 2, 3. And this same process will repeat again and again till the condition will true. So same I have written, first become equal to second and second will be now third term. And in this way term will be increased one by one till 10. Okay. So this same concept we will use here to print the Fibonacci series. Now I will compile, no syntax error. So now I will print this. Okay. You can see here, this is the Fibonacci series and I wanted to print it in the same line. So first 0, 1. That is fixed. First term 0, second term 1. Then 0 plus 1, it will be third term. First plus second, third term. 0 plus 1, 1. Then now this second term is become, now first and third term become second. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now it is the third term. But now third term become second and second term become first. First plus second, 1 plus 2, 3. In this way, 10 terms of the first Fibonacci series will be printed here. Okay, so in this way, today we have seen that how can we print the Fibonacci series. How can we print the Fibonacci series and how can we print one series of difference. Okay, so these two questions also you will do in your notebook. Also you will do some questions from you will try to do the questions given in the assignment. Okay, and just prepare well for your examination. So which chapters will come in the third UT, that also I want to discuss with you. So just open the page contains, means page number 9. Here for third UT I selected the chapters, chapter number 1, Okay, open the page number contained. Page number 9 contains Chapter 1 Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Concepts. Chapter number 3 Elementary Concept of Object and Classes. Chapter number 5 Operators and Expressions. Then chapter number 8 Mathematical Library Functions. Chapter 9 Conditional Constructs in Java. And chapter 10 Iteration Constructs in Java. And iteration constructs in Java, here you have to only study about the entry control loop, means for loop and while loop. Do while loop is not in your syllabus. Okay, so again I am repeating chapter 1 Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Concepts, chapter number 3 Elementary Concepts of Objects and Classes, chapter number 5 that is operators and expressions. Chapter number 8 mathematical library functions, and chapter 9 conditional constructs in Java. Chapter number 10 iteration constructs in Java. Here we have to only study about the for loop and while loop. Okay, so prepare well for your exams. Have a very nice day. All the best for your exam. I hope you all are preparing for your exam and prepare well. Practice all the programs, and try to score good marks. Have a very nice day. Thank you.